Okay, so I'm going to be using the Dyson Airwrap. We are going to be using the 40mm barrels. I believe these are the short barrels. These just work for me still really well, so I haven't really found the need to buy the long ones. So I have my hair in a clip right now. I have washed and conditioned my hair. Normally what I do is I'll actually, right after washing my hair, I will do my makeup, and then my hair kind of dries like a teeny bit. I use the Way leave-in conditioner. This is already my second bottle. I'm already like half done it, but it is so good. I'll split my hair into 2 equal parts, and then I'll just take this and spray 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just because like my hair is just so long, and then I'll just kind of like rub it in with my hand. Instantly all my tangles are gone as well, and I'll do that on this side too. So I have like super long hair, and I just found that the Dyson Airwrap is really the only hair curler that gives me like super natural waves that stay in. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to split my hair into 3 parts. I'm kind of getting the bottom layer here, so I guess I kind of go like at the middle of your ear. I make a part, and so then we're left with just like the bottom layer, and then I'm gonna clip this up with a clip, divide it into 2 parts. I don't brush my hair at this stage at all. I really don't brush my hair while my hair is wet, just because when your hair is wet, I find that if you brush it, just the hair falls out way more easily. I'm gonna start with my left side first, and you want to get the barrel that has the arrows going to the left. This is super important because this determines the direction of your curl. So I'm gonna just take like a thin section, like 1 inch in like width here, so that way it'll dry in the Airwrap really nicely. And then I turn it off. I keep it in my hands to keep the curl, and then there you go. Because my hair is so long, I wait around like 8 seconds, and then it'll stay in place, and then I'll just wait another 8 seconds again for it to like actually curl the hair. One thing to note is that I did turn off the Airwrap while the hair was curled around the Airwrap. I found this works better than you just like pulling it out. I think it preserves the curl a lot better. So I'm just gonna keep doing this on this side. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the next section. We're gonna go in kind of right above the eyebrow, like right around here, around your temples. I'm gonna do the same thing. Our last layer to go, the top layer, usually around this time, I will also create a middle part. I really don't do anything special with the front part of my hair because I don't really have bangs or anything. I'm gonna do the rest of the curls off camera. Now I'm going to brush my hair out. I'm using the Tangle Teaser. It's super cute, it's in Hello Kitty. And I'm just going to brush all the curls out. So now we get some like super soft waves. Okay, so here is the final look. I do this hair routine about 1 to 2 times a week. It took me around 35 minutes to do this whole hair routine, so it is quite long. It is really simple. There's nothing like really special or any technique that you really need to do. It's just a little bit time consuming. I really do recommend getting an Airwrap. I know it is super pricey, but I really personally think that it's a really good investment. I've been using this for like a solid 1.5 years, and I haven't gotten a single split end. I'm so used to seeing those like little white dots, but I literally have absolutely 0 in my hair. I also think that your hair just looks so much more soft and bouncy and healthy. I'll also list down below all the different products that I've used in this video. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching me do my everyday hair routine. I know you guys requested this so much, and I'm so sorry that it took me so long to finally film this. But if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at StephanieOn. But that is really about it. I hope you guys all have the best day ever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!